We spend our lives measuring times in seconds, minute, and deadlines. But out here, time doesn't tick. It's breathless. There is a specific kind of silence found in countryside. It is the absence of sounds, but the presence of peace. The water is perfectly mirror the majesty of the surrounding cliffs. Not a single ripple disturbs the surface. Please like and subscribe for this channel if you like this video.